Hello, explorers. Welcome to English Explorers with Rhythma, where learning English becomes an exciting adventure. Are you tired of sounding repetitive when you speak? Words like very are everywhere. But did you know swapping them with more precise alternatives can make your English powerful and sophisticated? In today's video, I'll show you how to replace very with smarter words that will instantly elevate your conversations and writing. Let's start by exploring some impactful alternatives to very. These words can make your speech or writing more vivid and expressive. First, we have that how we can replace very happy. Jubilant. She was jubilant after receiving the award. Overjoyed. They were overjoyed to hear the good news. Elated. Winning the competition made her feel elated. Thrilled. I am thrilled to finally meet you in person. Next, we have how we can replace very sad in our content. Heartbroken. He was heartbroken when his pet ran away. Miserable. The movie left me feeling miserable for hours. Despondent. After failing the test, he was despondent for days. Devastated. She was devastated by the sudden loss of her job. Now, next we have how we can replace very good. I have some very superb words which can help you in your advanced English. Excellent. The food at that restaurant is excellent. Outstanding. She gave an outstanding performance in the play. Superb. The hotel service was absolutely superb. Exceptional. His artwork is truly exceptional. Remarkable. The book received remarkable reviews from critics. Now, how we can replace the word very bad. Awful. The weather today is awful for a picnic. Horrible. His behavior at the meeting was horrible. Atrocious. That movie was so atrocious I couldn't finish it up. Terrible. The working conditions in the factory was terrible. Next we have that how we can replace very big in our sentences and make our sentences more advanced and impactful. Huge. The company has built a huge office in the city. Massive. The mountain looked massive from the base. Enormous. They live in an enormous mansion by the lake. Colossal. We saw a colossal ship docked at the harbor. Last but not the least, we have very small. First one we have tiny. The ant is such a tiny creature. Minute. He noticed a minute crack on the phone screen. Microscopic. You will need a microscope to see the microscopic organisms. Minuscule. The details on the ring are so minuscule. Petite. She bought a petite handbag for the party. That's it for today, explorers. I hope this video has shown how you can replace very with impactful alternatives which can transform your English from basic to brilliant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English Explorers with me Ridhima. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss another adventure in English learning. Leave a comment below with your favorite alternative to very and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep shining. See you soon.